Well, good morning. William Williams, Philippines. Hope everybody's doing good. I know. It's Wednesday, May 9th at 11:20 p.m. Yes, I said good morning. Time, that group concept of which I was not a member that conceived it, so why be bound by somebody else's ideas and conceptions? Coffee, life juice. All right. Well, I'm doing a garage sale, so I need to take and touch up some stuff over there and then get out, start putting things out a few hours from now and go out and put some signs up. Yay. I get to do it today. Well, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And technically, I could do some of it Sunday, but I'm going to need to make it short on Saturday or Sunday if I do. So, yay. We're going to see how much I can get out of this. Mainly, I just want to get stuff out of the house. Yeah, a lot of stuff to go. Anyway, uh, I'm going to do a bunch of my camping gear needs to go out the door. Backpack. So, yeah. You know, there's a lot of stuff in here that needs to go out the door. We'll see what all's gone. Uh, quite honestly, I'm thinking about putting out there on the curb. If it's on that side of the sidewalk, it's take it if you want it. Uh, most of it's going to be this side of the sidewalk and have value to me, but yeah. Anyway, this is going to be kind of on the short and sweet side because, well, I don't have much of today left to get this out. But I talked to the lady about the bike class. They're going to have another one. I saw it on the schedule. I'm about to register for it for next Wednesday or Thursday, Friday. So, yay. Got to finalize my, what do you call it? Taxes. Because everybody loves doing that. Uh, I don't know about y'all, but I'm really tired of taxes. I didn't sign up in this world so I could do numbers for the government. Seriously. And if it's a government form that's being filled out, shouldn't it be government people filling it out? I'm just saying. Uh, I hate having to get all that stuff ready and figured out, such. But I'd rather do that than have them kick the door in and assassinate me in the middle of the night. And if you don't think that the IRS has the guns to do it, go learn. Seriously. I was under Obama when they sent out a whole bunch of purchase orders. Yeah. How many agents were they trying to hire for this year before Trump got there? Or was it last year? 80,000 more? Yeah. Uh, we get to decide, what we do with our lives. Don't want to take and have to suffer the consequences of not paying taxes. Yeah, good. More coffee, more awake. It's starting to, yeah. Coffee is very civilizing. Anyway, yeah, different subject. Off to those things uh, when it comes down to what all I got to get out of there. I'm going to try to get some stuff out of my storm shelter also. So I probably should run the mower back and forth first thing this morning so I can have at least a trail back to there. Backyard's got horrible. Uh, yeah, there's probably should have got that done yesterday, but I was in the midst of talking to a lot of people. Basically, I'm trying to sell my house. So part of me just says, carry it over here to the auction house and have them auction it off. Probably get a better price. Matter of fact, I probably should check in on that. Uh, yeah, I don't know. Eh, more thought. Anyway, I need to get things started out the door. Get a little more paint prep done. And if I can get some of that done, I could possibly actually end up painting that room this weekend also. Because I'm going to be awake during the night. And I can paint that at night. I just got to finish. Yeah. Has more prep than what I thought. Apparently, all that moisture around the window on the and such, the moisture caused damage to the edge of the window. So now I got more of that I'm having to clean up and reputty. Nothing wants to cooperate. uh, it is what it is. Anyway, I got to get started on some things. I hope y'all have had a blessed day. Uh, got to get a few more things taken care of. And it looks like July is going to be for sure. Told my boss I'm not going to stick around. Don't know how well he liked that, but uh, things happen good. Yeah, I need to make some money off this garage sale. I don't know about y'all, but poof. This has been a very expensive week already. I get this class paid for and get to start studying on it, get the income tax done. Finally, well, I've got an idea what I'm getting back, but yeah, get that taken care of and finalized, and get this garage sale Thursday, Friday, Saturday, maybe Sunday morning. I need to make the money there because, well, between the taxes and the class, and yeah, throwing money at credit cards and everything, paycheck's already gone. Got paid yesterday, broke today. Yeah, it is what it is. But hey, one of the best things I can say about being here in Amarillo, I am in one of the most affordable places to live. I just saw that on the news. Amarillo is one of the most affordable places to live in Texas. Huh. I don't believe it. I made a good choice once. Yeah, I've known that for a long time. There are a lot of worse places to live. Dallas, Fort Worth, Houston. Oh, wait, that ain't even near Austin. Cost of living around Austin. I got a friend that lives down there, and yeah, she screams about having to pay everything. It is what it is. We get to choose where we live, and how we live. What are you willing to, are you willing to work 500 hours extra a year to pay for high dollar places? Or would you rather, not show up, not work, live under a bridge, eat out of trash cans? You can do that. I see people doing it all the time. Choices. Anyway, I'm William. Williams, Philippines. Lots of friends, lots of food, and lots of family. Oh, yeah, and more food. Anyway, I'm fishing. Fish is out. Later blessings and bye bye.